8 Best Bitcoin Crypto IRA Platforms in 2022. Crypto IRA platforms are the latest trend for people planning their retirements. Stay put to know the risks, benefits, and some top crypto/Bitcoin IRAs. 1. Alto IRA. Alto's Crypto IRA allows investing in 150+ crypto coins via Coinbase. The best thing about this crypto IRA is the simplistic pricing structure, which includes only one thing to keep track of: 1% transaction fee. 2. iTrustCapital. iTrustCapital gives you the additional freedom to invest in the gold and silver within its crypto IRA. 3. BitcoinIRA. BitcoinIRA features 60+ crypto assets, but what sets it apart is the 100% offline, cold storage. 4. Choice. True to its name, Choice is amongst the most versatile crypto IRA platforms you'll ever need. 5. Broad Financial. Broad Financial Crypto IRA is the option with maximum self-reliance and permits investing from the crypto exchange of your choice. 6. BlockMint. From the stable of IRA Capital, BlockMint offers a premium crypto IRA with a minimum investment of $10,000. They charge a hefty 15% transaction fee but provide discounts on volume spend. 7. TradeStation. TradeStation is the one-stop IRA to invest in alternative assets, including crypto, stocks, etc., with no crypto custody fee. 8. BitTrustera. 100% cold crypto storage in decommissioned nuclear bunkers makes BitTrustIRA a perfect platform for anyone seeking more than the normally promised military-grade security. Conclusion. Talk about risky investments, and crypto tops the list. Go through the terms, customer reviews, and real-life feedback from your peers for the best experience. So do your due diligence before opting for any crypto IRA platform. Thanks for watching.